Oh boy, Upton just issued a flash flood watch.
Including the following areas: Northern Fairfield, Northern Middlesex, Northern New Haven, Northern
Yep.
New London, Southern
I knew it.
Fairfield, Southern Middlesex, Southern New Haven and Southern New London, Northeast New Jersey, including the following areas: Eastern Bergen, Eastern Essex, Eastern Passaic, Eastern Union, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex, Western Passaic and Western Union, and Southeast New York, including the following areas: Brooklyn, Manhattan, Northern Nassau, Northern Queens, Northern Westchester, Northwest Suffolk, Orange, Putnam, Staten Island, Rockland, Southern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern Westchester, and Southwest Suffolk. When, from Sunday afternoon through late Sunday night. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: around 2 inches of rainfall is likely, with locally higher amounts in excess of 3 inches possible. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
Yep. Guys, let's just get things through for a second here. Alright? I knew when Albany issued their flood watch right after 2:30 this afternoon. And then when I got a notification that Mount Holly was going to send out something, I was like, Upton's next. Upton's going to issue something. Here you go. Proof right here. Thank goodness these things are very loud, especially this WR120. This WR120 goes only off for alerts. Alright? Speaker doesn't go on. I have to turn that off manually, like you just saw. So, as usual, this doesn't activate. Yeah, I probably didn't relay the flash flood watch. Flood watch in general. You get the idea. Alright guys, so Sunday is going to be pretty chaotic. I don't know what's going to happen, but we'll see.